The US and China, frenemies forever. It's complicated. Kind of like that relationship status you can never quite define on Facebook. One minute, we're trading partners, swapping iPhones for plastic toys. The next, we're locked in a tense geopolitical standoff. The world watches with bated breath and scrolls through TikTok while they do it. Because let's face it, nothing says global superpower showdown like a good dance challenge. The truth is, this whole shebang is confusing. It's a tangled web of tariffs, TikTok bans, and the burning question, who makes the better spy gadgets? The drama is real, folks. And you know what? We wouldn't have it any other way. Remember that time China sent a weather balloon on an all-expenses-paid trip across America? Yeah, good times. The US was not amused. They scrambled fighter jets, they shot the balloon down. They even analyzed the wreckage just in case it contained a secret recipe for fortune cookies. China played it cool. Just a harmless weather balloon, they said. Nothing to see here. The whole world saw it and tweeted about it with memes because in the grand theater of US-China relations, even a balloon can become a diplomatic incident. Trade wars are like a game of ping-pong, except instead of paddles we use tariffs, and instead of a little white ball we're batting around billions of dollars worth of goods. It all started with some tariffs on steel and aluminum. Then came the soybeans. Then the iPhones. It was a full-blown trade war, folks. The result, higher prices for everyone. Except maybe the lawyers who specialize in international trade disputes. They were having a field day. The US and China are locked in a new space race, but this time it's not just about planting a flag on the moon, it's about who can build the first lunar Starbucks or Martian Mall. China is aiming for a moon base by 2030. They're even sending pandas to space, because nothing says we come in peace like a cuddly black and white bear. The US, meanwhile, has Space Force, which, yes, is a real thing. They wear camouflage in space. Because, aliens. The future of US-China relations is uncertain, but one thing is for sure, it's going to be out of this world.